Welcome to the show. I'm your host, Sophia. Thank you for joining me. On today's show, we're featuring dancehall superstar Sham, popular known as Baby Sham. He was recently in town and performed at the Barna nightclub in Yaletown. As usual, Sham did not disappoint in his performance. Plus, you'll get to see my interview with the superstar. Well, it's only a half-an-hour program, so let's get right to it.
Wow, wow! Yo, this is Baby Sham, and you're watching Caribbean Beats. Can you hear me? Lawless print on my shirt when you see me.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Me and them no grounds man, so me have the thrones man. See them down a town man, hook up with a brown man. Man a pound man, where them no go down man. One free and a brown man, I pose like them a sound man. When me say go down man, mind they lose your crown man. Never to be pound man, don't step out a pound man. Go all your grounds man, protect your Lord of the Lord. The people of born Babylon, go so. If you're born Babylon, go so. If you're born Babylon, go so. If you're born Babylon, go so. Pump it. Hear me no Babylon boy. Man, as you want to come out Sashi, if you're a die up here, hey, little Babylon. How would you have it here? But you be a finger and them we just like a tree. You, Mr. Babylon. So what you do? Give them the dance.
Bust the dance.
Give them the dance.
Bust the dance. Give them the dance. Bust the dance. Somebody put on left my
So what you do? Give them the dance.
Bust the dance.
Give them the dance.
Bust the dance.
Lord. Lord, listen. This part of the concert, if you can't dance, you have to learn to dance. Give me some water. So we're going to start off from the simplest of dances. First, for all those of my fans that can't move, put your hands in the air, so. Everybody, put your hands in the air, so. Go, so. Simple dance. Raindrop, come. 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 And simple. Thunderclap.
Thunderclap. Thunderclap. Thunderclap. Thunderclap. Thunderclap.
All right, simple. Rock so. Willy box. Willy box.
Willy box. Willy box. Willy box. Willy box. The DJ.
Look, you don't know that. You can't catch that one, Gosso. Slow Willy. Slow Willy. From you, I'm on a fast wall. Can I get up? Let me get up. For all the young cool. Another ganja man, them off me come up too. Passage, you know what you can do. From you, I'm on a fast wall. Can I get up? Let me get up. For all the young cool. Another ganja man, them off me come up too. Passage, you know what you can do. Ain't nothing new. Passage in a road, that's the truth. Long time the day I in the earth, I take root. Me, I'm one of them new recruit. Yes, I'm a busy and I'm fresh and they get to youth. And no for them a wolf, I'll be a rest soon. The girl about the road, I said a DJ, you're cute. Yeah, let's not mix with fruit. But ain't nothing wrong. If one time you used to sing, we all understand now you have a hot thing. I think of them and Dave Kelly have the new thing. And no flick a DJ, them big one they bring. And them man they used to have you under them wing. And them man they teach Baby Sham about everything. And them man they bring Frankie I from Paris. So coward. From you I'm on a fast wall, can I get it? 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 Give them the dance.
Bust the dance.
Give them the dance.
Bust the dance.
So go Sham. Go Sham.
Go Sham. Go Sham. Go Sham. Go Sham. Everybody say.
Go so. Go.
Hey, 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 hey.
We're there. That one named Swag. Swag.
Swag, 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 swag. Whoa.
Pull up that.
Drop it low. Ready.
like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, drop it like you're doing it, low like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, slow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, low like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it. Come and say anything you want at the bar, that's fine. I'm a real sucker for the go-go wine. Try the bus and move the way blow my mind. When she back it up and trouble when the sun don't shine. Me love it when she shake it like a tambourine time. She can't touch for me like. When she sit down in the lap like a chair or recline. And do the dirty wine like she don't have no spine. She get every time. So when you back it and you bring it up. People through and then you bring it up. When you take it and you take it. Come in and drop it like you're doing it. Low like you're doing it. Pop it like you're doing it. Slow like you're doing it. Wine like you're doing it. Roll like you're doing it. Grind like you're doing it. Flow like you're doing it. So drop it like you're doing it. Low like you're doing it. Pop it like you're doing it. Slow like you're doing it. Wine like you're doing it. Roll like you're doing it. Grind like you're doing it. Flow like you're doing it. Come on to drop it. The drop off of me here. She have me a fling that I'm building here. She the pit up again. Me nearly throw for me beer. When she swing from the pole like a chandelier. The way to do that split that she must get her. No mood I walk in a girl. Yeah, me feel she bend over. Give me a snapshot from the real never blink. And check if me eyes are see clear. When she back it down, she fling it up. Feel the flow and then she bring it up. When she think it down, she dance it. Drop it like you're doing it. Low like you're doing it. Pop it like you're doing it. Slow like you're doing it. Wine like you're doing it. Roll like you're doing it. Grind like you're doing it. Flow like you're doing it. So drop it like you're doing it. Low like you're doing it. Pop it like you're doing it. Slow like you're doing it. Wine like you're doing it. Roll like you're doing it. Grind like you're doing it. Flow like you're doing it. So move your body like a snake up. Make your booty shake up. Tap it down low. Make it tremble like a quake up. Tickle up the boots. Me no care ten. Tickle up your titty. Me no care ten. So move your body like a snake up. Make your booty shake up. Tap it down low. Make it tremble like a. Tickle up your boots. Me no care ten. Tickle up your. So when you back it down, you fling it up. Bring the flow and then you bring it up. When you take it down, you take it. Go to it. Drop it like you're doing it. Low like you're doing it. Pop it like you're doing it. Slow like you're doing it. Wine like you're doing it. Roll like you're doing it. Grind like you're doing it. Flow like you're doing it. So drop it like you're doing it. Low like you're doing it. Pop it like you're doing it. Slow like you're doing it. Wine like you're doing it. Roll like you're doing it. Grind like you're doing it. Flow like you're doing it. I hear man, and you feel that no girl can wear the suit like you can. It turn up, no, it turn up, no. Show them say you're mad when them a chat. Step out like a bad car, you want the clothes, you want the clothes, you want the clothes. A girl thing lame, she no stripper pose, no stripper pose, no stripper. Girl head to the floor, body in the air. Wine come love it when you shake up your rear. Bed on the floor, table and chair. Ice up your body, sing for me. Love it when we up on the bed and you barely sit down and a wine on the head, yaddy. Me love it when we off this bed and you tell me no stop run moving red, girl. Let them know why you're so all of the fun there. Dog calling say my go but the sun there. He want to know if me now come, me say come. How about the youth in the year what me done say? She have a weak star, she have a weak star. The girl a tell me how she want me for free car. And she alone there and the answer me go beat her. Me put the body pan her lip so me greet her. She have a weak star, she have a weak star. She said to rub it on the that's a sweetheart. She said she want me pull her, yeah, she want me beat her. She want me pum pum. Head to the floor. Wine come love it when they shake up your rear. Bed on the floor. Eyes up your body make we see yonder. Daddy, love it when we're upon the bed. Love it when we're upon the bed. Love it when we're upon the bed. Are you ready to go home yet? The last time I was here, I was waiting in my hotel room from 11 p.m. They came to pick me up at like 1 something. I had to perform for like 20 minutes. So this time I make sure it was right. Listen, we got the song. Dancehall and reggae music have been getting a fight for a long time. If you notice, we are not played as much on the radio waves. We haven't played as much on the TVs. But it's the music that they can't get rid of. So this past summer, went in the studio to finish up my album and came out with a smash. We're going to shoot the video next week. The single is called Fighter. featuring Damian Jr. Gang Marley. I guarantee you this song will be the next big song in dancehall. Drop it. We made it, but we did things the other way. Gotta give thanks and praise to each day. We hustle real hard so we control our future.
Like a beacon on the mountain,
Shining through like the rising sun.
So shall it be for the faithful,
The ones who never stop till the work is done.
we grind cause this
Listen
system
to what you
does not favor the common man, but we shall reap the riches. Plentiful like the grains of sand, of sand, of sand, of sand, of sand, of
We don't quit when we are struggle, man, the fighter from we born. Why we up the action from a pull up that the bad people, man.
Who bring us Vitamin S, Get a Story, most recently Lawless, Collaboration Stronger, and many, many more. The one and only international superstar, reggae dancehall killer in the place. I can say the one and only Baby Cham.
Thanks for having me. What an introduction.
So, I can't say welcome because you're not a stranger to Caribbean Beats TV. But before I even get into the interview, I'm really upset with you. And I have to put it out there. The last time we sat down, you told me you're going to mail me my Lawless t-shirt. And who did I see come on stage? Not only in a Lawless t-shirt, but a Lawless hoodie. And I don't get mine yet. So, can we clear the air? Am I going to get my Lawless hoodie plus t-shirt?
I guarantee you.
Thank you very much.
I got you.
Okay.
I got you.
Una here, right?
I got you.
Second promise.
I just got caught up with all the work, all the traveling, all the promoting.
Okay.
But I'm on track.
Okay, I'm
on
gonna
track
give you
again.
a blight, and you know why?
Yeah.
Because you're one of the hands down greatest entertainer.
Thank you very much.
Beat the Man was recently in town and him shell it down because you know him is a good entertainer. But you tear it up. And we tell Beat the Man, we forgot to tell Beat the Man say him have to go fight for the crown. Really. Beat the Man, you know me love you, but we have to go fight for the crown because Cham, honestly though, I have to get right into your performance. You came out, and what I really respect with you, the last time you were here, no fault of your own, you came on a little late.
Yeah.
But what I respect with you that time, as we talked about, you ended up late. I was like, is this guy gonna come off stage? You really give the fans more than enough. And for you to even bring that up and apologize and give us even more tonight,
Yeah.
the fans have told me during your performance that they appreciate that.
That was the whole thing. As soon as we got the call from the office saying that they wanted to do a Canadian tour, I asked them to make sure they schedule in Vancouver back in it and make sure that they get the right promotional team behind it. And somebody is going to make sure that on time, no matter what. If it's even 10 people in the venue,
Yeah,
let
you
me
see you
get on the
perform
stage
too much
on
because
time.
you're a little hoarse, right? Your voice is a little hoarse. But I have to say though, Cham, your performance tonight, you took some songs, classic songs such as Michael Bolton, and you
Yeah.
put that on your own. And what I like was that, I wouldn't say freestyle, but you sit down on the rhythm without any type of music.
Yeah.
And the last time I sat down with an artist, I said, how can an artist go on stage and freestyle on their own without a music? Because not everybody can probably carry a tune without the beat.
Yeah.
So what do you think that takes as an artist to perform in that manner?
It's just DJ technique. It's a DJ technique. You have to have rhythm, you have to have timing. Because at the same time, you're doing an acapella, but at the same time, people have to can rock as though they would rock to whichever song you're singing. So you have to have that technical ability. And you have to just give thanks that some people have it and some people don't.
Which is basically, as a musician, you have to know your formula.
Yes.
Right?
You have to know your craft.
And the last time I actually sat down when I was speaking to Beenie Man, we brought that up, and I have to ask you too, because as a longevity in the
Yeah.
music and a veteran and a consistent artist such as yourself, how does one, you believe, find their formula? How did Baby Cham find his formula?
My formula came from a mixture. As growing up as a kid who used to perform on my uncle's sound system called Studio Mix. Super Cat used to perform on the sound system. John Wayne, even Beenie Man used to perform on his sound system. I was just a little kid. And we take bits and pieces from all of my favorite artists. As I was growing up, going through school, primary school, high school, Buju Banton was the man. Take a little bit from Buju. It is a little bit from Shabba, take a little bit from Super Cat, a little bit from Major Worries, a little bit from Bounty Killer, a little bit from Beenie Man, and created my own self. Create a little bit from Michael Jackson.
And what I have found that is unique with yourself and other great musicians that know their formula and sort of are great performers are you actually speak the way you sing. So you have the same tone of voice when you're talking to me now as you do when you're performing. So that means you're one as an individual with your music. Would you agree?
It's natural. It's natural. It's basically tone and variation. And when you're in the studio, you basically your vocal can be used like an instrument. Like an instrument, you hear different tones, different like I call your phone, but it's my vocal same way. Then you have the deeper part that you get. You get like love on you sit down and wine pan, which that's how I would talk right now.
Right.
You understand? So it's just tone and variation, and we try to get the best out of what we have and what we get at Akif.
Now, speaking about that, you have some music videos that are coming up soon and some new single. Can you tell our viewers about those?
Yo, Bend Down, that's the latest one featuring my wife, it's fire. It's like a mixture of dancehall with the new techno sound, but Dave Kelly overdid it. And it's on iTunes now, so check it out. It's Bend Down, the video. I got the final cut of the video. The video will be premiered on my website, which is shamworld.com. You can follow me on Twitter, so we can directly tell you the date. The Twitter is at TheSham, THECHAM. And then you have the next video, which is going to be shot within the next week and a half. That's Fighter, featuring the great Damian Junior Gang Marley. You're going to love this video. I read the treatment. It's fire, crazy fire. And just for the whole power of the song. It's one of them songs that not you wind up your body or you bend down or you turn up. One of them songs that's just straight power. And in these times, we need that power.
And both of your singles, Bend Down is climbing up the charts. I'm
Crazy.
watching it.
Bend Down
and
is moving fast.
Fighter is shelling down. People are going crazy over
Crazy,
this single. I have to say,
crazy.
great collaboration.
Thank you very much.
I also want to say, you were speaking a little bit about the inspiration, so I'll start going to that behind Fighter. And we do know that there's a lot of forces fighting against, we can say, dancehall or reggae, as some media outlets report. So what from that take did you put into the words or the collaboration or the piece together for Fighter?
Fighter basically came from just what's going on right now. If you look in the States, how much days? 14 days or 17 days. People have no jobs and they're working for the government. Just shut down. You're talking about $300 and something billion gone to waste. You understand what I'm saying? And people just get up and just come this morning on the TV and say sorry about that. But people that didn't have any job don't even know if they're gonna get in the back pay for the last 2.5 weeks. And those are things that basically we're just speaking about in the studio. We're just going through different topics, me and Dave Kelly, and just trying to find the right topics. And one of the topics that came up that hasn't been touched for a while in dancehall and reggae music is a song like Fighter. And that's the reason why we basically came up with the song. Myself and Dave wrote the song, and we were thinking of Akon to do the hook, because me and Akon have good relationship from before we did Get a Story, the remix to Get a Story. And as soon as Dave said Akon, I knew that I wasn't feeling like Akon on that track.
Yeah.
Akon, our friend, and we're cool like that, but me and Gang been texting each other for a minute now for like 4 years. Because we live in Miami. He lives like 10 minutes away from me and I didn't even know. But every time I'm in Miami, he normally texts me and like, what's up, King? You in town? And now and then I'll text him and say, what's up, I'm in town, what you doing? But we never ever connect.
So see, nothing happened before the time though, right?
I reached out to him the morning, tell him that we have this song that we needed him on. He said, yo, let's do it. We went to the studio in the night.
I think you could have never found a better person for this collaboration.
We went to the studio in the night and he knocked it out in like 25 minutes.
See, he was like made for this, right?
Yeah. So big up, Damian Marley.
Big up, Damian Marley. Now, I also have to bring you into, you talk about Dave Kelly, who you work with, is your producer.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if you know, but Rolling Stone magazine online put out an article recently. They were talking about the best producers in the world.
Whoa.
Now, these are producers that are diverse and bring something different to the music. And they were saying not producers such as Timbaland or Dre, which are world-renowned known, but Dave Kelly was placed at number 2.
Whoa.
So that's a very honor for him. I think hands down that Dave Kelly is the best producer.
Hands down.
I know that you work with him closely.
Yeah.
I know you're obviously in agreement to that. So what can you say in regards to that story and that piece?
It's just well deserved. It's something that he's one of them dudes that's very shy. Say he doesn't do the promotions like the Timbalands or the Drakes. He tends to stay away from interviews, stay away from cameras, stay away from public. And for people to in this day and era where you don't have someone on the Twitters or the Facebooks or none of that, but yet still his name still get around. That show you that his work speak for itself.
Absolutely.
And if you listen, producers like Dre, I respect Dre because he can change up his style and his formula. But producers like those, they have like a limit. If you listen to what Dave have been doing over the years, if you listen Fighter, it doesn't even sound like it's someone from even our world. You can hear the rubber dub behind it. That doesn't even sound like a dancehall producer. It sounds like a rubber dub, like way back then the rubber dub, but then it have this techno feel in it, and it's just something that he's just a great producer.
Yes, so much love from Caribbean Beats to you, Dave Kelly. But I have to say, I know you hang out with Dave Kelly all the time because you guys are friends as well. But Dave, there's no picture of you out there. So Rolling Stone online magazine could not even find a picture for him. Yeah. So I know that, as Sham said, you want to shy away from the interviews and stuff, but I also think that I do recommend, being in the media myself, that I think he should put himself out there more and get some pictures online.
Yes,
please,
sir.
We need to
beg
see
him
you.
Also.
You're one of the greatest producers. We need to see you
yes,
out
sir.
there. Now, Matt Krober also said, it was in a recent interview in Sweden, and he also said that Dave Kelly is hands down. Without Dave Kelly, there would not be a Matt Cobra. And of course, we could go on and on. Bounty, Garnet Silk, Wayne Wonder, I mean, Tony so Rebel, much, right?
So
we
much.
could
Buju
say
Banton.
Tony Rebel. Exactly. Now, he also says that the difference between Dave Kelly as a producer is when he comes out with a rhythm, he knows the exact musician to put on a certain rhythm or a certain hook, and that's what is diverse and unique about him as a producer. Would you agree?
Yeah, because he's a producer. You have enough guys that are out there, like, for instance, Puff Daddy. He's not really a producer. He pays people to do all his production. He has good ears, so you know when it's a hit from when it's not a hit. So you have to give him credit for that. That's his strong point. Dave Kelly's a producer. Like, he knows the first note he hits with the keyboard or the drum. You know who he wants to sing on that beat right there and then, and that's a producer.
That's a producer. Now, I know that you have your 2 singles coming out, Bend Down and A Fighter. They're already out.
Get them on
and your
iTunes,
videos.
Please.
So make sure you send those videos to Caribbean Beats TV.
Every time.
Hear it right here because it's full of promises. It's full of promises.
Listen, ever since we connected last year, every video, Caribbean Beats is in the mailing list. I made sure the team put it in. So whether or not I'm even at the office, whether or not I'm even in my
mailing list, just a t-shirt.
That's the only thing.
So besides that, tell our viewers what is new. Otherwise, from your upcoming videos that you're going to send us, what is new with Baby Cham?
Everything. We have the clothing line is fully out. Last year I was here, we just had like promotional stuff. Now the website is up. That's chamworld.com, CHAMWORLD.com. You can go there, you get all the t-shirts, you get the hoodies, you get shorts for the females, everything, you name it. You have the tour section that you can go as a fan and you see when and where I'm gonna be for the whole year. You have events. You just check it out. Everything. If you want to get every information on Cham and the Pretty Miss O.
And you also have your Facebook, right?
Yes, the Facebook is there also. It's also Team Cham. Instagram is there. It's at The Cham, THECHAM, and it's the same for Twitter. And just remember, Bend Down, Fighter, go on iTunes and buy them now. Can you hear me? Good.
Now, Cham, take us out with Lawless. My t-shirt that's coming. Take us out with it.
Police a chase me. Yeah, them a chase me. But when me dip and step out, them couldn't face me. Babylon a chase me. Yeah, them a chase me. Caribbean Beats, them step out with Lawless.
Blap. There you go. Get me my shirts. Get me my shirts. We're out. We're out.